masuk, pop, coding fix tidak. Itu baru model. Yes. Ya, 10 saat saja. Untuk kita bagi daripada MC ke moderator tu kan. Yes, 10 saat. Kita boleh nampak. Flow. Flow with the flow. 9 minit sebelum start 2.50 sampai 2.45. Dah keluar lah dekat atas tu. Ini landing video.
Hi. Hello, everyone. Very good evening to you. Thank you for tuning in this Cyber Podium Room 1. My name is Ma'an. I will be MC today. Without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Gaurav Malawat, the sales specialist for Zero Trust Solutions from Primary Guard X Cloudflare, on stage for his presentation on the topic Demystifying Zero Trust and SASE. May I introduce Mr. Gaurav?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, your audio is clear.
Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Gaurav. I'm the sales specialist for Zero Trust product portfolio at Cloudflare. So, I'm really excited to be here. Today, I will be talking about what successful organizations are doing with respect to their Zero Trust migration and how Cloudflare can help you take that first step. So this would be the agenda for today. So I would be talking about what the network of future looks like, and then I will dive deep into zero trust and network transformation and how Cloudflare can get you there. And finally, we will keep some time for question and answer. So if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the chat, and I'll take some of those questions at the end of the presentation. So in today's world, most of the organization have their corporate network, which is similar to something which you see on the left side of your screen. So most of these networks are built using the notion of perimeter-based security. So you have different offices, data centers, all connected to each other using some private links. And all of the network security is typically done using devices on premise. For example, you may have a DDoS mitigation system on premise, a network firewall, a secure web gateway, or a VPN gateway to manage various security aspects of your network. In recent times, there have been two shifts. One is your applications are moving from your data centers to public cloud, and some of these applications are moving to the SaaS vendors. And from the user perspective, in light of this pandemic, more and more users are now working from home. So the traditional notion of perimeter-based security doesn't really work in this new reality. As organizations move to cloud native and mobile first architecture, they also have to rethink about their corporate network strategy. And this is where zero trust architecture can help you. You might have seen recent surge in cyber attacks all across the world. And with this new cyber threats coming every now and then, you also need to account for a security architecture which keeps you up to date with respect to all these latest cyber threats which are there on the internet. And at Cloudflare, this is something we are trying to do. We have built our Zero Trust platform from ground up, and our vision is very simple. We want your users anywhere to connect to applications hosted anywhere through our platform, and we will provide all the Zero Trust and networking controls as a service through our Cloudflare platform. Compared to some of the other vendors, which are essentially buying different solutions and stitching them together, we believed in developing the solution in-house from ground up, built on top of our network. And we think we can help you with your Zero Trust journey. To give you some idea about what Cloudflare is, different people have different perceptions about Cloudflare. Some people know Cloudflare for CDN services. Some think we provide a DDoS mitigation service. But in reality, we are a network of more than 200 data centers. We have data centers situated in all the major cities, in all the major POPs, present in all major internet exchanges. And through this network of more than 200 POPs, we are able to provide various security services. So today, I would be focusing on Cloudflare One, which is our SASE product portfolio, which includes Zero Trust and networking services, and application services like WAF, DDoS, CDN. These are some of our core services, which we have been doing for quite some time. One of the unique thing about Cloudflare is we are providing every service from every data center. So when you put Cloudflare in front of your applications or in front of your infrastructure, so essentially you get protection from all these 200 POPs, which are running all these services everywhere. Our network has a capacity of 67 terabits per second. In this world where cyber attacks are growing larger and larger, our network capacity is something important, especially when you have to mitigate against large volumetric DDoS attacks. With the help of 67 terabits per second capacity, we can safely absorb any large DDoS attack while ensuring your applications and your user experience is at most of best quality. The second thing is availability. With the help of 200 data centers, we can provide you 100% uptime. Should there be any issue in one of our data centers, we can easily reroute that traffic to another healthy data center in the same region. And finally, performance. Because our data centers are sitting close to the end user, the latency from end user to Cloudflare is typically less than 100 milliseconds. And because we are running every service everywhere, we don't have to hop your request between multiple data centers. All the user requests will be processed in the same data center. And as a result, we can offer a superior user performance. And finally, we have a scale of 25 million websites running on our network. And this data gives us unparalleled visibility into all the different types of threats which are out there on the internet. So these are some of the unique points about Cloudflare. We have built such a large network which can provide performance, security, availability at scale. So let me dive deep into why use Cloudflare. So as I mentioned, in today's world, the attackers are getting smarter and smarter, and the nature of the threats is continuously evolving. At Cloudflare, we have threat intelligence from more than 800 billion DNS requests which we see across our platform, and more than 25 million websites that proxies their websites through Cloudflare. So we apply machine learning on this data to harness all the malicious actors on the internet. At the same time, we also integrate with our partner ecosystem. So we basically provide intelligence from both our in-house data as well as our partner ecosystem in order to identify all the threats on the internet. For example, with the help of Cloudflare Threat Intelligence, you will get data on all the security risk categories, for example, malware domains, phishing domains, and other similar malicious domains. So when we talk about SASE, customers often get overwhelmed, and it's more of a journey rather than one step. So at Cloudflare, we wanted to simplify this SASE journey, and this is something which we recommend. So at a high level, your SASE transformation will include three steps. One is replacing your VPN. Second is replacing your on-premise web gateways. And the third is replacing your network security appliances like your VPN gateways, firewall, DDoS boxes. So let me dive deep into each of these three steps. So what you can do with respect to your VPN replacement is you can start using a zero trust solution for your third party contractors, which is what one of our customers, Kathmandu, did. Once you have experience of deploying zero trust for your contractors, then you can deploy the same solution for all of your remote workers. And finally, the step three would be replacing VPN altogether and using a zero trust access solution for all of your application access. So that would basically phase out your VPN. After you have secured your application access, then you need to move your attention towards your internet browsing. So today, you might be using a secure web gateway, a CASB, or a remote browser isolation solution to protect various aspects of your internet browsing. At Cloudflare, we are trying to build one secure web gateway which will consolidate all these different aspects and provide you visibility and control over all of your internet browsing traffic. So when your contract is due for expiry, you can consolidate all these different standalone solutions into one using Cloudflare's cloud-based secure web gateway. And once you have done that, then the final step is essentially phasing out your network security appliances and private circuits. So essentially transforming your network. So Cloudflare provides WAN, DDoS, and firewall as a service. So with the help of our cloud-based networking services, you can essentially replace all these devices and also replace your MPLS or private circuits. So when you use Cloudflare WAN, you can connect all of your branches, data centers to each other using Cloudflare network without having to rely on MPLS or any dedicated links. Once you replace all these network security appliances and private circuits, then essentially you're embracing a full zero trust security posture. So with that, let's look into these zero trust and networking services in detail. So the first step in your zero trust journey is securing your application access. Today, most of the organizations rely on VPN to grant access to their internal applications. With this new reality where most of the users are mobile, we consistently hear performance issues when users are accessing applications over VPN. The another challenge with VPN is once an attacker manages to get inside your network, then they basically can do lateral movement and gain access to additional systems. And this is how typically a data breach happens. So in order to work around these limitations of VPN, there is something called a Zero Trust Network Access Framework, which relies on the user identity. So one of the biggest difference between VPN versus Zero Trust is VPN is based on network identity, whereas Zero Trust relies on the user and device identity. So at Cloudflare, we can help you secure all of your internal applications using Zero Trust framework. So typically there are two types of applications. There are client-based applications and there are web applications. You can route the traffic from both these applications to Cloudflare. So for example, in case of a client-based application, you can install a Cloudflare agent on the customer's device, which will send all of their TCP traffic to Cloudflare. For web applications, you can simply use Cloudflare as a reverse proxy. Once the traffic hits Cloudflare, we will provide a console to manage the application access policy based on the user, device, and location. So using Zero Trust principles, you can verify the identity of the user. So again, you can integrate with your existing identity provider, such as Microsoft Active Directory or Okta or any SAML-based identification system for that matter. So Cloudflare will help you verify the user identity. The next thing you can do is you can also verify the device identity. So for example, if you want to ensure that the application is accessed from only trusted device IDs, you can have a policy based on device ID. Or if you're using any endpoint security solutions, Cloudflare can also integrate device posture data from these endpoint security systems. And finally, you can set location-based policy. For example, if you only want to allow the application to be accessed from specific locations or specific IP address, you can easily do geofencing or geo restriction with the help of Cloudflare Access. So once Cloudflare has verified the user device and location, then we will send the application traffic to your application. And again, your application could be self-hosted or it could be a SaaS application. Cloudflare is essentially platform agnostic, and we can load balance or route your application traffic between your multiple environments. So for example, you might be running application completely in cloud, or you might be running application in some sort of hybrid environment. We can help you load balance that traffic as well. Now, the benefit of this particular architecture is it allows you to have access policies for every application in a much more granular way. So unlike VPN, you can control application access individually. The second is now that all of your internal as well as SaaS applications are proxying through Cloudflare, we will provide you full visibility in terms of who's accessing your applications. And we will also provide you logs for any more investigations from your IT team. And more importantly, in addition to the user identity, we also allow you to set policies based on location and device identity. So overall, this helps you further strengthen your application security posture and make sure only authorized users and devices are able to access your application. So this particular solution again works for your internal as well as SaaS application, and it works for your web as well as non-web applications. So you can have the policies applied for any web-facing application. Similarly, you can do zero trust network access for your SSH, RDP, or any application that uses TCP. So we basically support all different types of applications with the zero trust network access framework. Then moving on, the next is securing your internet-facing traffic. So again, with the help of Cloudflare's web gateway, you have full visibility and control over what your users are accessing on the internet. So you can route your users' internet-facing traffic by installing the same Cloudflare agent called Warp. So this Warp agent will send layer 4 to layer 7 traffic to a Cloudflare data center, which is closest to that user. If you want to connect the entire office to Cloudflare's gateway, you have an option to do that using a GRE or IPsec tunnel. So we basically allow you a mechanism to connect your remote as well as branch users to Cloudflare gateway. And once the user connects to Cloudflare gateway, you can have identity-based policies. So basically, we will inspect all of that internet-facing traffic, and you have ability to apply application and network level policies. So for example, if you want to protect your users from connecting to a phishing site, you can create a policy using Cloudflare's DNS filtering, where you can block access to any malware or phishing domains. Similarly, if you want to make sure that the users are only connecting to sanctioned applications, you can easily set application filtering policy on Cloudflare, where you can block access to unsanctioned applications. If you want to make sure the users are not uploading or downloading any sensitive data on certain applications, you can also set these policies using our HTTP filtering. And finally, we provide something called Zero Trust Browser, or browser isolation as the common name, as the industry calls it. You can isolate your web traffic for certain applications and for certain users for providing additional security. So our gateway basically provides you full visibility into your internet-bound traffic. It allows you to create policies, user-specific policies, and it can be deployed fairly quickly, and it's very easy to manage. And with the help of Gateway, you will have full visibility into all of your users, both remote as well as branch users, which are connecting to the internet. So Cloudflare also has something called browser isolation, which works as an add-on to our gateway. So as I mentioned, using gateway, you can control what your users are connecting on the internet by setting those application and network level policies. But in some cases, you may not have full idea about the threats which are out there on the internet. So in order to mitigate against those kind of unknown threats, uh, you can use something called browser isolation, where certain applications and certain users can be isolated. uh, so for example, the application would not be running in their local browser, it would be running in a remote browser inside Cloudflare data center. So we basically run a Chromium client in all 200 data centers, and we use something called network vector rendering, which will basically send vector draw commands to the local browser in order to display that application. Now, using this particular approach, we can basically reliably isolate any application without causing any performance issues and without breaking the application. Some of the traditional solutions which use pixel pushing, they are bandwidth intensive, and as a result, they will make your application slower, and obviously, it won't cause a very good user experience, and that can also break some of the applications. So using this NVR technology, we are trying to bypass some of those limitations of pixel pushing, and this basically works on any device, on any browser, and more importantly, it does not consume a lot of bandwidth, so it can work on low latency networks as well. So just to wrap up, so basically the first two milestones in your SASE journey is securing your application and your internet browsing traffic. And with the help of Cloudflare Zero Trust Network Access and Secure Web Gateway, you can basically control your application and your internet bound traffic. Once you have secured that, then you need to move your attention to your networking devices. And this is where Cloudflare can also help you uh, replacing your physical networking security devices. So from a networking standpoint, Cloudflare provides DDoS, WAN, and firewall as a service. So we can protect your data centers from any volumetric DDoS attacks. So today you might be using a DDoS mitigation service from your ISP, or you might have a physical hardware solution sitting in your data center. Both the solutions have their own limitations with respect to the capacity of handling large volumetric DDoS attacks, and both the solution doesn't really scale very well. At Cloudflare, we have built this network of 200 data centers, which has 67 terabits per second capacity. And as a result, we can absorb any large volumetric DDoS attacks from anywhere. So using Cloudflare's Magic Transit, which is the name for this DDoS mitigation service, you can announce your IP ranges through Cloudflare using BGP. So all of the traffic, all of your ingress traffic will basically hit Cloudflare data center first, and we will basically drop all the layer 3 DDoS attacks. On top of that, we also provide you a firewall where you can create policies based on source IP, destination IP, protocols, and anything in the TCP packet. So this works similar to your on-premise firewall, but this is deployed in the cloud. And with the help of this L3 and L4 DDoS and firewall rules, we will make sure all of the malicious traffic is dropped and blocked at Cloudflare. The legitimate traffic will be sent over a GRE tunnel to your data center, or we can also have a direct peering with your data center. So if we are present in the same facility, we can have a direct link. If otherwise, we can have a virtual peering through one of our partners like Megaport. So again, the benefit here is using Cloudflare's extensive network. We are making sure your data center is secured from any volumetric attacks. And more importantly, we provide superior performance because all of these data centers acting as a DDoS proxy, they're present in all 200 locations in major ISPs. So your user traffic will be always mapped to the nearest data center. And more importantly, these firewall rules which you create, They are propagated within under 500 milliseconds all across the globe. So you can get real-time protection from deploying these firewall rules. Okay, so moving on from DDoS and WAF, DDoS and firewall, the next thing we do is something called WAN as a service. So today, most of the organizations rely on MPLS or some sort of dedicated links to connect their branch office and their data centers to each other. At Cloudflare, we are trying to provide the same fast, reliable private connectivity using our own network. So using our own network, you can connect your remote users, your branch to your office, as well as your data center, all with each other through Cloudflare. So for example, using Cloudflare Warp Agent, you can connect all of your remote users to Cloudflare's network. Using a GRE or IPsec tunnel, you can connect your entire branch office to Cloudflare, and you can also connect your data centers using GRE tunnel or using a direct peering wherever possible. And on top of that, Cloudflare also has private interconnects with all the major cloud vendors like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. So essentially, by leveraging Cloudflare's vast network, you can connect all these different entities inside your network to each other without having to rely on costly MPLS circuits. And more importantly, once you set Cloudflare as your WAN, all of your network traffic will be flowing through Cloudflare. And as a result, you will have centralized management and visibility into all of your network traffic. And using Cloudflare's network and zero trust security, you can secure your users, applications, and your network traffic. So to wrap it up, why Cloudflare? So we have built a cost-effective platform from ground up. So we're trying to provide SASE services through a unified and homogeneous network. So unlike some of the other vendors who are buying companies and stitching solutions together, we have built a solution which works on the same technology stack and which runs in every data center we have. The second is our speed and scale. And the fact that we are present in more than 9,500 networks allows us to operate at a scale. And for most of our users, they are able to connect to our network within 100 milliseconds. And as a result, we can guarantee a superior user performance and experience. And finally, most of our services are very easy to use. So we are extremely efficient in terms of onboarding and managing your day-to-day configuration. We are fully developer friendly, so every service we offer can be controlled and managed through an API. We also have integrations with configuration management tools like Terraform as an example. So overall, like management of Cloudflare portal is extremely easy, and all these services are offered through one single dashboard. So with that, now I would wrap up my presentation. So if you would like to try our Cloudflare Zero Trust product, we allow you to sign up for free for up to 50 users. So you can use our access and gateway for free if you want to just get a taste of the solution. Otherwise, you can always contact myself at this particular email address. My email address is gaurav@cloudflare.com. So I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. So with that, thanks a lot for attending this presentation. Hope you learned something new today. And if you have any questions, I'll take a look at the chat real quick. But thanks everyone. So let's see if is there any question?
Let me check. There's not any, but I just want to ask you something, Mr. Gaurav. Earlier in your presentation, you said one of your presentation, you said with this stack, we are able to hide our IP from local service provider. Is that correct?
Yeah. So when you set Cloudflare as your proxy, then yes, you're essentially hiding the origin IP address because the end user will see a Cloudflare IP address instead of the actual origin IP address. So yes, you can mask your origin IP address by using Cloudflare.
Oh, cool. I just know that today.
Yep.
Let me check once more if there are any questions in the chat box. No. But Mr. Gaurav, can you put your email in the private chat here? I'll give them those email in the chat box if they would
Uh,
like to.
sure. I just pasted my email in the chat.
Zero Trust is the company name, isn't it?
I think based on that we can wrap this session. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav, for your time
Yeah.
on the
Thank you for your
presentation.
time as well.
Very
And
useful one.
yeah, thank you. So
Mm,
thanks a lot, and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.
thank
So
you.
you just be explaining it, mark it down. Okay, and you have a presentation as well, right? Okay. Is it a slideshow?